back to my channel. For new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, DIYs, all that. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from when I was on vacation and I was in New Jersey. And let me tell you, their Dollar Trees were elite. Like, I have everything I'm showing you is new. So if you see me in multiple outfits, it's because right now it's literally nighttime. So, and I have makeup on from earlier today, so I'm probably gonna film some tonight and then the rest tomorrow. But literally, this is probably gonna be one of my best hauls. So subscribe, share this video, and let's jump in. So, first thing we got is the Lip Plumper Gloss by Healthy Era, and this is in puree. So we have that. Then we have the Smarties Squashies flavored lip duo, lip butter, raspberry, and cream. So you get a lip butter and lip balm. How nice is that? Literally. Then we got the strawberry shortcake flavored lip duo. We got lip butter and lip balm and strawberry shortcake, of course. So that's fun. I have to sneeze and it's like stuck. Then we have the tinted lip oil in plumberry. So this is new. I'm obsessed with this. So we have this one. Then what I'm about to show you, I'm shooker than I've been shook. So we have Impress in Wicked for Good, only in theaters. Pre-bond technology, no glue needed, just press and go lashes. So literally, are we kidding? You get the lashes and the little applicator, if you guys can kind of see that in there. And you don't glue them. Like, you just put them on like that. So, $1.25. Like, are we kidding? So, I'm shook. Then we got these Modest disposable face towels, and you get, I'm trying to see, 14 and 14. So it's a little like mini 2-pack. So 14 and 14. So cute. Okay, then I'm just reaching in this bag. Then we have the beauty sponge with ice cream cone stand. So let me just take this out of here. If I don't break my nail. I tried Dollar Tree nails today, like fake nails, and let me tell you, they did not stay on for literally not even 20 minutes. Okay. So, how cute. So this is our blender. This is our little ice cream cone stand. It just goes like this. So we have blue. And then we got the purple also. So purple and blue. Then we got the other Wicked lashes. These are Falscara and Wicked for Good, only in theaters. The Bare Essentials kit. So you get the wisps, the bond, and the applicator for $1.25. Yes, please. So got that. Then we got this by Plum Beauty 4-in-1 stackable makeup brush set. Eyebrow brush, eyeshadow, brow shaper, and lip. Like, are we kidding? So let's again take this out of the packaging. I thought I had a garbage bag going next to me, but I don't. So that's what she looks like. It's wrapped in plastic, so bougie. If you're from New Jersey, I'm so jealous of your Dollar Trees. Oh, there's one brush came out. I'm so jealous of your Dollar Trees. If you live in New Jersey, okay, so they're all pulling out. But anyway, that's kind of the gist of this brush. It's okay. There we go. So they're all just stuck on there. So we got that, which is fun. Then we got these beauty scissors. These were essential for vacation. Did I forget to pack them? Yeah, so I bought a pair. Then we got the flower little lip, and this is in Pink Crush. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. But never pass up this packaging. And I'm not kidding though, the one Dollar Tree I went to in New Jersey, literally I went there every day and they had new stuff every day I went. So this is what it looks like. Pink Crush. Did I say Pink Crush? Pink Crush. So super nice. Then we got the tinted lip oil in Pink Doll. So we have that. Then we have Sweet Honey. Then we got this beauty sponge. So I'll take it out of the packaging. Yeah, I will. Anyway, so it just looks like this. So this, oh, I have makeup on. Oh, got on it. So just that, super random. Then we got the blush serum cheek and lip color. So it looks like this. I got two because I didn't know if they were like different shades or what the deal was on that. So that's why I just grabbed two, because I was like, oh, if they're the same, they're the same. If they're different, good for that, So let's see. Magenta Sky is this one. And now we're going to open the second one just to see if by chance it's a different shade, which I doubt it. Okay, yeah, they're both Magenta Sky. So, yeah, so we got the blush serum. Then we got from the Pink Cowgirl collection, the Wrangler Pout Paint in Liberty Coral. So, that is this. Super nice. Then we got this in this packaging. Honestly, I could not even tell what it was, but I just always know when you see this packaging, you grab it. So, okay, it is by Flower Beauty, and it is a watercolor eye tint. Shake well. Okay, we're shaking it. Okay, so it's an eye tint, I guess. So, that's not random. Okay, then we got the Daisy Lip Balm and Juicy Pomegranate. I needed a lip balm on vacation, so I picked this up. Did I use it? Obviously not. Forgot. Couldn't find it. Then we got these Planet Goody scrunchies. Literally, these are so soft, and these don't hurt your hair, or head, I mean. So we got these, and these really nice colors. So we got these. Then we got the Plumping Glossy Lip Balm in Cherry Blossom. So finally I found a new shade. So I'm stoked for this. So we got this one. Then we got this Pop Sugar Shower Spray in Eucalyptus. Happy Healthy You. Breathe in deeply as therapeutic essential oils are released. So how nice is that? So we got that. Then we got this little brush set. You like all these different brushes. This little package. So we got that. Then reach into the bag. We got the Plumping Lip Gloss, and this one's in Hibiscus. So we have Hibiscus. Then this one is in Carnation. Then we have our little ice cream thing. I'm gonna open it, obviously. Show you guys. This one is purple. I can get out of the package. Literally, I can never get stuff out of packaging. So here's the little cone. Here is our ice cream. So look at that. Super cute. And then we got the Wrangler Pout Paint in Cheyenne Pink. Love that. Then, let's see here. Okay, we got the beauty sponge with stand-up holder in like this light blue. I'm not a huge fan of these, so I don't know why. I actually wanted to give them another try. Okay, next up, we got the Cashmere Body Butter in Vanilla Cream. I've heard horrid things about this, so let's test the theory, if it smells bad. Let's see. Everyone on TikTok said it smells like moldy, like old. So let's see. Oh, it smells good. The vanilla smells good. Maybe it was coconut or one of the other ones, but the vanilla cream smells good. So we got that. Then we got by Plum Beauty Uplifting Facial Roller, energizes and revives. When I saw this, I was super excited because hello, yes, $1.25, yes please. So we got this. Then by Spa Essentials, we got the Super Greens Cleansing Wipes with kale and vitamin C, and you get 30. I love the serum from this brand, from this line, so I'm super stoked that we got makeup wipes now. So we got that. Then we got these, which the more I smell them, the more I hate it, is my opinion. But this is the massage soap, and this one is in Sugared Bloom. And the more I smell it, the more I kind of hate it. Like, I can't really explain it, but we got this. So, okay, I was gonna say, I know we got the pink one too. And then this one is the vanilla. The pink. This one I absolutely hate. This one smells like straight sunscreen. So, I hate this one. So, cute concept, not for me. Then we got the Plum Beauty Sculpting Beauty Bar, Smooths and Sculpts. For $1.25, again, all these facial tools. Got that. Then we got the Extra Care Active Feet Cream Extra Relief. I feel like this is really good for summer because, you know, you're active, you're on your feet a lot. So we got that. Then we got the Body Butter in Warm Caramel, which I'm most excited for. So yes, please. Got that. Then we got the Facial Grooming Brush and Scissors. Perfect for eyebrows. So got that. That is it for this video because I have so much stuff from these stores that I have to split it up because this would be like a 3-hour long video. So that's why you'll see like the same outfit in the next video, and it's because I had to split it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot get over how good the New Jersey Dollar Trees were, and I have so much more to show you guys, so you do not want to miss my videos. So please comment down your favorite item. Definitely share the channel, subscribe because you do not want to miss my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe!